Have you ever wondered how a single microscopic cell can decide the fate of an entire human life? Every month, inside millions of bodies, an ancient clockwork begins to tick. A ritual as old as humanity itself. Ovulation is not just biology, it's a cosmic lottery, a launch window where one cell out of millions is chosen. But how does this hidden process actually work? How does your brain and ovaries really coordinate? Imagine the ovary as a vast city of potential. Inside, thousands of tiny apartments called follicles house eggs. Most will never see the light of day, but every cycle, your brain sends a signal, a chemical announcement. This signal is a hormone called FSH, the fertility signal, as you could think of it, rising from the pituitary gland to whisper, chosen one. Suddenly, follicles race like competitors in a survival game. They grow, expand, and demand resources. But only one will win. The dominant follicle balloons in size, while the others fade away like silent sacrifices. Here's the twist. The chosen egg isn't ready yet. It still waits for a final command. At mid-cycle, another hormone bursts forward. LH, the green light. If the cycle were a rocket launch, LH is the go. The follicle swells to breaking point, then release. The egg is launched into the fallopian tube. For the next 12 to 24 hours, it drifts through a microscopic highway, waiting for a sperm to collide with it. Think about that. Billions of sperm race, yet the egg waits still, like a star awaiting its planet. The meeting of these two cells, if it happens, is one of the most improbable miracles of biology. But what if fertilization never happens? If no sperm arrives, the egg dissolves. Its brief moment of potential passing like a shooting star. The uterus, which built a lush nest of tissue in expectation, realizes the guest isn't coming. The lining is shed, menstruation begins, the cycle resets once more. Ovulation may feel like a monthly event, but it's part of a much larger symphony. The brain, the ovaries, the uterus, not separate instruments, but an orchestra playing the same song. A song that is repeated billions of times across human history. And here's the deeper secret. Ovulation isn't just about reproduction. It's about timing, resilience, and cycles hidden inside us. It's a journey of a single egg, connecting us to every ancestor before and every descendant after. So, how does ovulation work? It's a dance of hormones, cells, and cycles, but it's also a story of chance, survival, and potential unfolding each month.